Alright, let's talk about how you can connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Now to show how to do this, I've created a super simple example. So here on our Google form, we just have a question asking what your name is. And then you can type in your name and submit the form. And it looks like we have 4 responses right now. If we click on responses, we can see that there are 4 names. Now to link this to Google Sheets, it's pretty simple. You just select this, you go to responses, and you select link to Sheets. And it's going to ask you where you want your destination to be. You can either select an existing spreadsheet, or you can just create a new spreadsheet, and then here you can name it whatever you want. We'll just keep it with the title that Google Forms has selected. And then you just go up to the top and hit create, and that will create this brand new Google Sheet for you with live data. So if I go into my form here and I submit another response and I just type in Gary, hit submit, I go back to this and we'll see that Gary is updated and it will give us the timestamp for when that was submitted. So it will update live for you. You don't need to consistently create a new sheet. Now you can also unlink this form from the Google Sheet by going to responses, selecting these 3 arrows, and then hitting unlink form in case you want to add this to a different spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet already. But there you have it. That's how you can connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.